Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Door hinge squeaks happen because friction builds up when metal rubs against metal without enough lubrication. This causes tiny vibrations that create the high-pitched noise you hear. Applying oil or grease regularly reduces friction, stops the squeak, and helps your door move smoothly.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.